Amdeishu tangde ki phau hajar Henry ki lapoi hadu kumba arlak tam ngut ki samla ki bala shate sha khum ha ki shankawya jong drok ubala zdang ban kenrei bha ha kini ke jala Meghalaya ong umintri ke tanat social welfare ba polling do hab kren bikila pathai khubor ba pol ula ongru ba kajingya khun minta kamdeishu tangda ka sorkar Henry ladon kamlut na du ki borshnong hadu ki kenhun bepher da ka wei ka thong ban rat ding khong yu.
I've shared this information with you. It's more than 2 lakh users, 2.5 something users in the state. And that includes both genders, both males and females. This is something which goes beyond one single department of the government, which is why we have conceived the Dream Mission, which also involves home police and health departments. These are line departments which need to interact and coordinate their activities. And as far as the entry points, as I mentioned last week, a major entry point to the Khasi Jaintia sector is the East Jaintia Hills district. We need to further strengthen the performance of the ANTF, tone up its efficacy and also increase its manpower. That will happen once the current recruitment to the state police and the home guards takes place. We will be having more manpower and a few of them will be trained in anti-narcotics activities. 2 is a new DGP has just taken over. We will be also incentivizing the state home department through our dream project, whereby they will be able to also organize similar programs from the side of the police, and where found suitable, some of these VDPs will also be involved. These are some of the strategies that we are adopting, but then there are other strategies that we are also contemplating, and you will see those results very soon. Such centers being supported by the government of Meghalaya. The problem here is not about the availability of halls or spaces, but the lack of trained manpower which can handle these cases. It's not a facility where you just keep a person in your custody and feed him. More than anything, they require professional help, professional counseling, and that is an area which is wanting as of date. So, in fact, we are in conversation with a group of trained counselors and psychiatrists, and in a matter of a couple of months or so, something definitely would shape up. Others have come up by way of hosting our workshops and discussions and counseling programs. But in terms of accommodating inmates who have fallen prey to drug addiction, Meghalaya Town is the first. Also relieved and in fact glad to inform you that where the national average is concerned, the success rate has been less than 5% in tackling the menace of drugs. But in Meghalaya, it has gone up to 20% because of the active support that we receive from self-help groups and NGOs and now the traditional institutions. We need to make this a very effective war with which the state machinery combined with the community should proactively be able to eradicate this menace of drug trafficking amongst our people.